Okay, boys and girls, we're probably winding down this journey, but as you can see, this is a 2007 S550 with 92,000 miles and some change. We are currently getting 29.7 miles to the gallon. This car has had a fresh oil change using MOBIL 1, maybe less than 1,000 miles ago, and we're going 55 miles an hour. We've been driving for roughly 65 miles, and we have gotten phenomenal gas mileage in this S550 using MOBIL 1. We've decided to stick with 55 miles per hour, not drop it, not go above, because that's the posted speed limit in large parts of the country, or the minimum, let's say, and it's supposed to be the optimal speed limit for fuel efficiency. As you can see in this S550 using MOBIL 1, it's proven that's the case. We are almost approaching 30 miles per gallon in this S550 using MOBIL 1, and when you think about it, that's better fuel efficiency than some four-cylinder vehicles. Don't know whether we'll get any better than this, but I'll keep you posted. Just keep in mind, this is a 7-year-old car. As you can see, it has 92,612 miles. It's has a recent oil change